Hi, my name is Mahfouz. I am a WordPress web developer. I am making this case study for my clients so I can explain them how we work. This is a website, it's a membership website. It actually was, and client use membership pro and few other plugin to build this website. But this website has lots of issues. So client was not using this properly, and customer also had issues. So client come to us to fix this. It was built with Iduma theme. So we look into this website and we find out the way it was built and the plugins used on this website was not proper. So if we fix this website, client can we fix this website so client use it, and we suggest client that as soon as possible you need to rebuild this website with some type of different plugin, like we suggest him the member mouse and some other plugin, member mouse and learn dash some other plugin for his website. So after a few months, client come back to us and ask me to rebuild the website. It was a big website, lots of courses here. So this is the new website we built for her. So she does not want to change the design part actually, but we do little modify. Basically, it was the functional work. So we use LearnDash on this website, and we use Membership Pro and a few other plugin to build this website. Now this website is working properly. Every user registration and the user login page, everything is working fine. It's totally different feel. Client is very happy, and we are still maintaining this website. You can see we are still managing this website, but we keep the old website here. So we will delete it soon. So the website is fine and it's working properly. See, it's working very nice. So if you guys need any help with the website, you just come to us, we'll solve it. If you look into our website, these are the services we provide. We also have a options to meeting, free meeting. You can join us with any time you want. You can also ask for a code. You can also connect us via WhatsApp, Skype, email, phone, whatever you prefer. We are here to help you. Let me know if you guys need any help. Thank you.